Alright, y'all. Welcome to day 16. I think I forgot to upload yesterday and today. So, today I'm going to edit a whole bunch and put out multiple bangers to catch myself up so I am back on track. But I had to go to work today, even though it's snowy as hell, and every time it snows this much, they cancel work. They decided, nope. Work is still on because people are going to come in and buy shit still. So we are going to head to Portland and see how bad it is. It is currently 16, 17 degrees outside, something like that. And as you can see, it is snowing. It's been snowing here since about 7 a.m. in Portland since about 9 a.m. Right now it's about 9:49. And yeah. We're gonna see how bad the roads are. Yep, and I just got to work confirming that we are still opening up. These fucking dumbasses. You know, they pay me enough to come in, so that's why I'm going in, because I feel like I get compensated fairly, or at least semi-fairly for this. But any of our part-time seasonal folk, any of them, I hope they call the fuck out, because right now, no one's coming in, and honestly, I got some choice words for management, because this is just stupid as hell. But I hope everyone comes with me and enjoys this fun drive. Hopefully I'm not late to work. I kind of left late, and I kind of have to drive slowly the whole way there, so this will be fun. Oh, thank God this car is starting to warm up finally. Oh my God, it is colder than a motherfucker out here. Let me know how you liking this view out the camera. I can see it where I'm driving from, and I kind of dig the shot. Not gonna lie. But that's just my personal opinion. Oh my God, my hands are so cold, and I have gloves on in the chicken shitting car. Yeah, the car says it's 16 degrees outside. This is dumb as hell. Literally the safest way for me to make it to work is taking this stupid ass highway too. Damn, there's still trucks delivering shit at Costco. Is Costco still open? Oh my God. Those brave ass souls. I mean, if you open it, but like, literally all the government buildings shut down. Everything public facing shut down yesterday at 1 p.m. just in preparation of this storm. And, you know, private companies are still like, no, people are gonna come shop. It's not freaking gonna dump today. Like, I'm happy I have a Subaru though with freaking all-wheel drive to get my ass around. Freaking other car has bald ass tires. Would not be doing good right now. This is just, oh my God, Jesus Christ. I'm not even driving that fast, and my car is getting pushed around like a little silly goose in this wind. I love it because people from other states where it gets way colder and way worse are probably going to be laughing at me because this doesn't look that bad. And honestly, it's not that bad, but also everything in Portland shuts down fairly easily. Like, it's not, Portland doesn't stay open for much. Oh, Lord. Hell, Nike's even hella shut down. I mean, it's a Saturday. I don't know why I say that, like I'm surprised. Can y'all even hear me? This wasn't even aimed at my mouth. I hope there's not clipping noise. I don't think there is clipping noise. That's good. I'm not driving that fast anyway, but... I don't know if you can hear that, but I am just being pelted by snow right now. And the further I drive, the worse the snow is getting, which is just real lovely. Oh, snow. I want to sing That's a White Christmas, but then I feel like I'll get flagged for copyrights. I also do not have 3 other people for us to all hit that beautiful snow, snow, snow. Jesus Christ. I can't even imagine the friggin' highway. The highway's at least probably plowed, but like... Oh, there's the police officer. Hi, police officer. Are you sick of this too? At least as a police officer, you get to stay in your car. Unless someone is a dumbass. Also, you're not driving your own car. You're driving a government vehicle. So, like, at the end of the day, if you crash, like, you fucked up. But also, not your car. So you don't gotta worry too much. Oh, Lord. It is basically whiteout conditions on the Chicken Chin Highway. Oh, and it doesn't look like it's really been plowed either. That's lovely. I need to back the fuck off this person's ass. Oh. The wipers are real gross. Yeah, the fast lane's not even plowed. It's literally just 2 lanes. And these... Alright, I'm gonna try to get into this other lane. Jesus fucking Christ. There's a snowdrift in the middle. God. Dude, I am getting shoved out of the fucking middle lane by the wind. The wind is literally just ripping me out of the friggin' middle lane. This is dumb, y'all. You can't even see on the camera the car in front of me. I can see the car in front of me, but holy fucking Christ. Fuck it. I'm going in my own lane. I don't want to be behind someone. Jesus Christ. This wind is fucking ridiculous. Dude, I am having some very choice words with management. Like, who the fuck approved this? I'm gonna happily clock in and just give someone my fucking words. Like, I'm happy I'm fucking reporting this shit. I'm showing this to someone. Holy shit, the road just keeps disappearing in front of me. Like it's fucking Houdini. There's snow drifts in the middle of the fucking fast lane. Jesus Christ. This is gonna be the fucking rough part, getting a fucking Sylvan Hill. I need to get out of fast lane because it's not even good anymore. Don't even need those. Doesn't even sound like my door's shut properly. Jesus fucking Christ. This box truck driver in front of me is fucking brave as hell. I would be like, if he's not loaded down, that truck is light as hell, and he's probably just getting whipped around like a silly little bitch. I'm just trying to stay at consistent speed, but also not get caught behind people. Jesus Christ. Jesus fucking Christ. Praise be Allah. Praise be Krishna. Ram, Jai Ram, Hari Ram. Jesus fucking Christ. Jesus fucking Christ. I've driven in snow before. I've never driven in just pure chicken shit in whiteout conditions like this. I can normally see a little bit. This is just fucking ridiculous. I don't like being on the highway with other people doing this shit. If I was by myself, okay, not as bad, not as scary. I have plenty of room in case something happens. Nope. None of that shit now. Gotta go over stupid ass Sylvan Hill. Fucking 1,000 feet up in the sky. This is the worst these conditions will probably be. But holy shit, this wind is whipping. Dude, it's fucking 10 a.m. It is literally 10 fucking a.m. Honestly, I've never thought of driving with my hazards on, except for, I guess, now. But it seems like that was a better idea going up the hill than down this hill. I don't even think I should be in this fast lane. Yeah, I need to slow the fuck down. Subaru, can you get over a fucking lane? This fast lane is like good and then not good and then good and then not good. Jesus fucking Christ, it's Jason Bourne. No, Subaru. Boo, Subaru. Okay. The battle of the Subarus out here in the witty wonderland of Portland. 3 Subaru Outbacks fight for supremacy. This week on Snowy Subaru. Subaru? Bro, you got a Tacoma with little baby wheels on it. That's funny. Okay. No ice. No ice. Light braking. No ice. No ice. Please. I mean, no one else is sliding out. But fucking A. Dude, my windows aren't even defrosting yet. I know, Subaru. I understand what the hell is happening. I need to be in this middle stupid ass lane. I don't even want to be closer to other chicken shitting cars going through these damn turns. Hit one patch of ice and then just get wrecked like a little goofy ass bitch. I'm going like 52, and these other cars are going way faster into this damn turn. And people go 50 into this turn when it's dry. Like, I'm impressed. Well, I made it to the tunnels. Oh, Jesus Christ. As the snow just creeps in through the tunnel. This is really not that. Oh, they kind of they added some gravel here. That's good. This is. Well, welcome to Portland, where they say it's good enough to get to work. This does not look like it's good enough to get to work. Well, I'm going to drive around a little bit, because somehow I still made it here early. Oh, and I'm having issues braking. Fucking lovely. Oh, traction control is turning on. Need to clean off my wipers. They're squeaky as all hell, apparently. Do not want to drive on those damn train tracks. My Subaru automatically turned off my defogging of my windows, and immediately my windows fogged up. 10 out of 10, Subaru. Am I even in my lane? I can't tell what fucking lane I'm in. Is that Rudy? I think that's Rudy. Rudy. Well, I'm glad to know that we are both people with cars that can get in, but this is fucking dumb as hell. That is not Rudy. Fuck that guy. I don't know who that guy is. I actually need to get the fuck over, so I don't mean to be cutting you off. I'm just... I need to turn at this next stoplight. Can we go? I'm not even like hitting the gas that hard, and immediately just traction control is everything. Alright, let's not slide and crash down this hill. He. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. I made the stoplight. Not in a lane, but I made the stoplight. Go, Honda, go! And his front tires are spinning like goofy little wheels. There's a Subaru coming up behind me, and I know I'm not in a lane, but I'm trying to pick a lane. The bus isn't even in a lane. These trifling Trimet drivers. They're trifling. Look at that bus. He lane splitting. What's your badge and ID number? Officer, I have a complaint. Damn, bro. This dude looks old as hell. Homie looks 70, like in his 70s, driving a Trimet bus. One, good for you, but two, like, are you good to drive? I'm not trying to be ageist or anything, but like, once you get older, like, some people get scary drivers. And you're driving around people. You're not even driving around yourself. You're just one health emergency away from potential disaster. Tonight, bus driver crashes because of cardiac arrest. Well, alright guys. I'm gonna have to fuck off because I'm arriving to the war zone that people are apparently gonna buy shit at. So, oh, and I can't park in the parking garage yet. Bye, people.